Hello, welcome to Windows 8.1 tutorial with ISO Networks, and today we're going to learn how to create or add a user with your Windows 8.1 PC. So if you're familiar with Windows 7 or XP, the way to add a user is basically go to your control panel, manage user, and add user. With Windows 8.1, it's a little bit different interface and it's a lot faster. So to do so, what you need to do is get to your start window and then look for this search icon here and type in add, delete, and manage other user accounts, which is this one right here. And then you're going to click on that one. Otherwise, you can also do this if you're in your desktop, for example. What you need to go is get to your charms right here on the right hand side. You can swipe it to the left to get to it, or you can hover your mouse on it, and then this will show, and you want to click on search icon and then search for this word. Same thing, add, delete, and manage other user accounts. So you want to click on this and this will take you to this window. If you've noticed, I currently have two different accounts here, actually three, but it only shows two because I'm currently using the other one. So it's gg@isonetworks.com. This is a Microsoft account because it's an email address that's associated with my Microsoft account, and I can log in using that. And then there's Justin, which is a local account. What we're going to do today is add a local account. So I'm going to go ahead and click add an account here, and this will take me to this window. Question is, how will this person sign in? So if you add an email address here, that means you're creating a user associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an email address, you can sign it up here. They make it a little bit easier for you, doesn't it? And then you can also add a child's account, or you can sign in without a Microsoft account. This is what I'm going to do today because I'm doing a user, or I'm creating a user locally. So sign in without a Microsoft account. So with this one, this will take you again to this window that will explain the primary benefits and disadvantages or advantages of creating an account using Microsoft account or an email address or a local account, which is just you accessing this PC locally, and you can't go to different devices using the same credentials unless of course you created it separately. So right now I'm going to do local account. Well, signing in with a local account means that you have to create a username and account for each PC you use, assuming you have so many of them. You will need a Microsoft account to download apps, but you can set it up later. And then your settings won't be synced across the PCs that you use, unlike if you have a Microsoft account sign-in credential. So that's okay with me, so I'm going to go ahead and create a local account. And then you're going to type in your username and the password, verify your password, and then hint. And then I'll click next. Is this a child's account? No, it's not. So I'm going to go ahead and just click finish. And that's it. That's the easiest way to do that. Now, if you're going to want to test it, you want to get back to your start window and then just drop down this icon here. That'll allow you to choose which user are you going to sign in. So you just basically click test user 1, and then that will take you to this window, which is kind of the login window, and then type in your password and then you're in. But I'm not going to do that right now because then it will take a little bit of time to create the desktop and stuff like that. So that's basically how to create a user with Windows 8.1. If you have additional questions, please email me at ask@isonetworks.com or call me at 630-336-2139. Thank you.